Monkey bread is this incredibly warm, delicious Southern dish. My Nana used to make them every year for Christmas. It's incredibly easy to make, and you start by cutting biscuit dough into fourths. Then, in a large Ziploc bag, you combine cane sugar and cinnamon powder. After that, you just start tossing in pieces of the biscuit dough and shaking them around in the Ziploc bag until they're all evenly coated. Once you've got all the biscuit dough evenly coated, you can set the Ziploc bag aside and start making the praline sauce. You can make the praline sauce with ingredients that most people commonly have on hand. It's just a combination of butter and light brown sugar. I chose to use vegan butter. And I chose to kick this sauce up a notch by adding in some non-dairy creamer. In order to get that nice sticky texture, you want to make sure that the sauce comes to a low simmer before you remove it from the heat. While the sauce is cooling down, you can start preparing the bundt cake pan. Layer in about a third of the pecan pieces and then evenly pour on some of that praline sauce. Then you'll add in a few of the biscuit pieces and you'll just keep layering it until all the biscuit pieces have been added in. To make sure that the praline sauce drips throughout the cake, you're gonna wanna pour on all your remaining sauce on top of that last layer of biscuits and pecans. This monkey bread bakes pretty quickly and you wanna make sure that you don't burn the biscuits. I leave it in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes at 350 degrees. And voila, praline pecan monkey bread.